Hi neighbors, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen, and in today's video we are making strawberry pie. And taking a little bit of a shortcut, I'm using a pre-made pie crust that I'm going to get out of my freezer right now. I am going to cook this according to the package instructions. Then I'm going to take it out and let it cool for the next parts. Okay neighbors, I have here 6 heaping cups of frozen sliced strawberries. I want to mush a cup's worth of these strawberries.
Mush them up good.
With my handy dandy musher here, let's guesstimate. I strained the juices of the frozen strawberries because I'll show you what I'll use that for shortly. If you're using fresh, get 6 cups of fresh strawberries, mush up a cup's worth. I'm just doing it with frozen because they were a better deal for the frozen. I'm going to put this into my pan. I want a cup, if you're using fresh, get a 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of the juices that came off of the strawberries. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Turn my pan on. Now the recipe does call to use some red dye, red food coloring, but I'm not going to because the juices were pink from made this pink from the strawberries. Okay, 1 cup of sugar. What do I bring in here? 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to get my handy dandy little spatula that you all know I love. That's just my oven. You want this to come to a boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to a medium once it does. And I'm going to boil it for like a minute because I want this to thicken up. I'm going to turn it down to a medium high. It's like a syrupy jam, not too thick, not too thin. You want it to be pourable for what you're going to be using it for. Nice syrupy type of consistency. We'll let that cool. Neighbors, I am making this the evening before Mother's Day, but I'm going to cut a slice on Mother's Day to have in the morning to have with my coffee.
Mother's Day, love Mom.
Love you, sweetheart. And we want to wish all the people out there that are being a mom to anyone or any pet a happy Mother's Day, because we love you all. Casey's the sweetheart. Okay, neighbors, I have 250 grams, or it's a block of cream cheese that is softened to room temperature. And I'm going to whip it good. Okay, so I'm going to put our cream cheese on our cooled pie shell. Now I can imagine just adding a little bit of lemon to this cream cheese when like a tablespoon or so of lemon juice would be nice with the berries and the cream cheese, but I am trying to stick as close as possible to the recipe. Now, the original recipe has fresh berries placed on top of the cream cheese. However, mine are frozen and they're all different slices. Now, we can try to place them nicely, or we can just put them in there. Now it says to pour this over the top. And they have it that all the strawberries were standing up, and this would fall over them and through them, like through in between and stuff. Okay, I'm going to refrigerate this. Morning, neighbors. Time for a tasty poo. Don't know what you were doing in my refrigerator. Were you trying to steal my pie? There we go. I don't think I cut it very good. Tasty poo. Oh, I love strawberries, so I love this. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I look like poop. Oh, tastes like strawberry pie. Peace, love, God bless. Recipe in the description box below. Have a good one, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.